To add a new product, you have to click on my menu. After that, if the category is not present, you can create a category. I will create one. For example, rice. I just need to give the name. That's it. I don't need to select anything else. Then press save. Now to create a product under the rice category, I will click on create product. Then I will give the name, for example, biryani rice. Then I will select the category. For that, it was rice. Give the price over here, 15 for example. Now if you have tax, you can give 5% tax over here, and if you don't have tax, you can leave it empty. Then save. And if you have multiple sizes products, you can create like this. For example, Chinese rice. Base price for the product will be given in the sell price. For example, the smallest size is 5, and the medium plate for the Chinese rice is of 8, and large plate is of 10. So just give the name of the size on this column and the price in this column, then press save. Now as you can see, in the rice, Chinese rice, it will come like this. You just have to click on it to select it, then save. Now if you want to edit prices of items, you can click on my menu, then select the item. For example, I want to change the price of Fanta. I will click on edit. Now I will change the price from here to 5, then save. Need to select this, and if it is giving this error, give a random code, save. Look, it's changed.